mission, without a follow, without a mission. You really
I want it all. Want a better life. I want the world to know my name. I want it all. Run it in the game. Boss, chick, flow, CEO. I want it all. Want a better life. I want the world to know my name. I want it all. Run it in the game. Boss, chick, flow, CEO. And a rank. See, I've been trying for so long.
Loves, welcome back to my channel. If you guys saw my previous video that was all about this hair, I'm sure you were curious to know all about this face. So I filmed this makeup tutorial using some new products from Urban Decay, which if you've been following me for a while, you know that Urban Decay is one of my absolute favorite makeup brands. I just love everything that they come out with. I just love. And by the grace of God, they were kind enough to send me their latest launches, and I was dumb hype. I was so excited because I love Urban Decay. I truly love their stuff. Like, my last makeup video was using an Urban Decay palette. I love their stuff. Did you see that last video, by the way? I got that smoky eye palette for $25. If you haven't watched that video, you need to go watch my last makeup video. So some of the products that I use in this video are their new Backtalk palette. If you guys didn't know, Backtalk is one of their most popular nude lipstick shades. So since everyone is obsessed with the color, they decided to make a palette that obviously has similar tones to the lipsticks. It's a mauve tone palette that pretty much goes with everything. It has some blushes and highlighters included as well. They sent me some eyeliners. If you guys haven't tried the Urban Decay eyeliners, you need to try them. They go on super smooth and creamy, and they literally last all night long. They also sent me their new Hi-Fi Shine lip glosses. Isn't this so cute? It's like a little boombox with all the colors. As you can see, I've already been playing with these since there's two missing. I have one of them on my lips right now in Backtalk, of course. It's just like the perfect nude. So these are just some of the glosses. I also got this in my P.O. box, which I was so freaking like, oh my God. It's the Naked palette with nude lipsticks. Isn't this so cute? Getting nudes is better than sending nudes. I completely agree. If you guys want me to create a makeup look with that palette, let me know, because I know it's a palette that a lot of you guys have, and I feel like you guys really do like to watch makeup tutorials that have palettes featured, because then you can actually recreate the look at home. And last but not least, they also sent me this, which is so freaking cute. It's supposed to be like a little matchbook. Like, how freaking genius. I'm telling you, like, they have the best PR packages ever. Isn't that so freaking cute? And inside it has their Naked Petite Heat palette. Perfect for travel on the go. Look at the colors. I mean, how perfect is this little baby palette? So cute. Anyways, if you want to see how to get this little sweet mauve berry toned look using the new Urban Decay Backtalk palette, keep on watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is the Urban Decay Backtalk Eye and Face palette. It is $46 and it comes with 8 eyeshadows, 3 blushes, and 1 highlighter. It also comes with a mirror that is detachable that sits in the middle of the palette. To begin this look, I have already primed my eyelids, and I'm going to use the color Backtalk from the palette using a fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my crease and just blend it all out. Next, I'm going to create more definition in the eyes by mixing the colors Shade and Attitude together. And I really wanted to intensify that maroon type of color, and I wasn't getting the color that I wanted from the palette. So I just went into my other makeup and I found this beautiful color from Makeup Forever. It's like one of my favorite eyeshadow colors. It's just perfect really all year round, and I love it. For my lid color, I'm going to use a flat brush to apply the color Bare to my lids, and then I'm going to add the color Party Foul, which is the highlighter, right on top. Later on in the video, you will see me spray this brush so I can get more of an intense color payoff on my lid. Then I'm going to go back in with that maroon color right under my crease and just make sure that it's evenly blended out. And I'm going to take Backtalk and add it right on top so it diffuses really pretty. To wet my brush, I'm using Pixie's Makeup Fixing Mist, the rose one. And as you can see, I'm just gonna be going back to like add the colors and then blending everything out, and then add more color and blending everything out. It's just a lot of blending for this look. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows using Benefit's Goof Proof pencil in the number 6. I have a detailed tutorial of how I do my brows on my Instagram feed if you want to know, but this will be the sweet version. Basically all I do is just line my brows, fill them in a little bit, brush them out, and then I apply some type of brow setting gel. The one that I'm going to use is also from Benefit. This is their 3D tone ones. Sometimes I use this or I use the clear one. And then the last step that I do for my brows is to highlight my brows. So I use also a product from Benefit, and it is their highbrow pencil, and I just highlight under the arch of my brow and blend everything out using a blending brush. To bronze my skin, I'm going to use one of my favorite bronzers from Becca, and it is in the color Bronze Bondi, and I'm using my favorite bronzing brush from the London brush company. I love this brush. It's really pricey, so don't get it, only if you have the money, but it's really good. Then for blush, I'm using a mixture of the two colors in the palette, the first two colors, and I'm just blending that out onwards and upwards. And then I'm going to use the highlighter in the palette as well to highlight my face. I wanted a little bit more intensity when it came to the highlight, so I did grab the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero collab palette to add just a little bit more intensity to my highlight. I am so mad that this highlighter palette is limited edition because it's so good. To line my lips, I'm using Urban Decay's lip liner pencil in the color Hex, and then for lip gloss, I'm going to use their new Hi-Fi Shine lip gloss in Backtalk. I really like these lip glosses. They have like a peppermint taste to it, and they plump up your lips a little bit, and they're so pretty, and I love the way that this looks with this lip liner. I love the definition that it gives your lips. For eyeliner, I'm going to use their 24/7 Glide On pencil in Alkaline. It's just a really pretty color, something different on your waterline other than black or brown. And last but not least, to set my face, I'm going to use Pixie's Rose Mist, and that is it. So that was the final makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was easy enough for you to follow. If there's any other makeup tutorials that you would like me to film, or perhaps maybe you want me to create a look using a specific palette, please leave it in a comment down below. I love makeup. You guys know that I'm a huge makeup junkie. Makeup tutorials take a long time to film, to edit, and to upload. So if you notice, I haven't been uploading as many makeup tutorials. I've been talking a lot more about makeup over on my Instagram stories and on my Instagram, just because I noticed that a lot of you guys don't watch my makeup tutorials as much as you watch, for example, my hair tutorials. And I get it. A lot of you guys are here probably more for hair than you are really for makeup, but you guys know that I'm a makeup junkie. And I know there's a percentage of you that also like my makeup tutorials as well, which is why I still upload them. But if you notice, I don't upload them as frequently. If you do like watching makeup tutorials, what type of tutorials are you into? I know you like easy to follow makeup tutorials, which is why I try to keep it as easy as possible. But I really want to know if you guys prefer makeup tutorials showing you how to get a look, or if you prefer makeup product reviews. For example, I have a beautiful foundation on that I love from Bobbi Brown. Would you guys like me to do a product review on that foundation and a quick little demo on how I apply it instead of doing an entire makeup look? Just let me know, because I'm here to serve you. I want to make sure that I give you the absolute best content, but I need to know what you guys are into so that I'm not just here filming stuff and then nobody's watching it, because girl. So leave your comments down below, and I will definitely read all of them and try to get back to all of you guys so I can continue to make the absolute best content for you, and we can keep growing and flourishing and looking fly together, okay? Thank you so much for watching this makeup tutorial. If you're not subscribed to my channel, girl, what you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.